So guys, this is our monthly shopping. This month we'll spend 250 euro. 250 euro. This is all Italian food stores, no African one. So if you shop at, for example, African things also, every month you spend like 400, that 400 is both Italian things and the Nigerian things, African things, Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. So guys, over you have our monthly shopping. Can you see? But this month's monthly shopping, my husband went alone, So everything that you are seeing here costs 250 euro. Normally, if I go with my husband, I normally spend 320 or 330. If I buy everything that I needed for the month, but not for the month because we'll buy for the month, we'll shop for the month. But all this fresh thing, normally buy it in our supermarket near us, So what you're seeing here is not everything that we are using for a month. With that African things, if you join African things include, we'll be spending like, we'll spending like 400 euro. Rice, Indomie, and all. So over here is only Italian food stores, So what is it? 250 euro, but you will still buying fresh thing in our supermarket near us. So let's pack, So that is it too. So over here I will start with my meat, I'm alone guys, so I can't bring a camera here because my children are in the school. No, let me start with juice. Let me start cooking with juice. Guys, be patient so with me. So here I have my orange and the banana, Some of the things, chicken mouth, can you see? They don't have the tissue we are using, so Daddy just bought this one. Maybe tomorrow we go back and buy the tissue, the one we are using. So that is it. So over here I have my milk, Over here we have our juice there for chinedu. So here, let me take it down. Guys, I'm alone. So here you have 3 cartons of this juice. Normally buy 4 cartons, but today I bought only 3 cartons. So with this one, so that is it, guys. It's not to do shopping, it's to pack. No one have my problem to pack. I don't even know where to start. So over here we have our merenda things, their merenda things and the cake. Then over here we have for our breakfast, biscuit for breakfast, and here is meat, pasta, tonno, hot dog, and here I have my tomato for condish, olive oil and groundnut oil. What next again? Then over here I have my soap for washing machine, my perfume, and soap for plates, This is their biscuit for their breakfast. Maybe is eating only this one, and the children and the Alex and the Angel this one. So it's not much. This month is not much. Over here we have our bread, potato chips. It's not much for that. You know, you have our bread, this one for toast, this one for pasta, you know, panini. So all these ones, this one here is for daddy, brioche, integral, integral for daddy. So what next again? So this one is normal brioche for my children. And here is the biscuit for Miranda, wafer, and espresso. So that is it. We have my rice for risotto. What next again? So I will start packing. Maybe I'll wait for my children to be back so they will help me out by videoing, you know. So that is it. Thanks for watching and continue watching. 250 euro. Period. Love you and God bless you. Continue watching. So guys, this is where I stop. I'm alone. So pardon me. For breakfast, Miranda thing. Miranda things. All this one, Chilima will arrange it when she's back from school. Miranda things. Here, for breakfast, cappuccino for baby eyes. Hey, you're not going to pack your one. Piadino, 2 piadino. Guys, it's not easy. When you're alone, it's not easy. So here I have my tomato for my corn dish. So let me have picture for thumbnail. So that is it. This one goes here. Oil. Oh, chishamo quase. So my juice. Thanks for watching. And my milk. But I'll get fine picture for thumbnail. So guys, I continue because NJ is back from school. So now NJ is videoing me. Guys, I don't want my fruit, you know, because I'm not putting it in the fruit. Yeah. Thanks for watching. So this is their catalog. Aerospring. I'm not doing advert too. Aerospring. I'm what 90 minutes to save. But it's been long. We are shopping there in Aerospring. Oh, thanks for watching till now. So guys, I'm going to make their lunch. Hey, everywhere scatter scatter with food, scatter scatter, me scatter scatter here. So that is it. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. Love you and God bless you.